Good day, I'm Lisa Thyre, and a major public education issue today is making the United States of America an academic competitor in the world. And the way of getting back into the competition is starting education at a younger age. Before I had my daughter, I attended every class offered at the hospital, and after she was born, my husband and I did a lot of research on how to help her be as successful as possible in this competitive world. And in the book, Raising Your Child to be Gifted, the most common denominator that led to student success was academic exposure at an early age. Unfortunately for my daughter, my husband and I are both educators, so we can apply this since she was born. And unfortunately for our country, millions of people leave the hospital with their babies not understanding that education starts from birth. And as an educator and as a kindergarten teacher, I am still shocked by how very little academic knowledge my students bring with them on the first day of school. So how do we become competitive again? We have to start educating students at a younger age. They can learn. Working together, we can make America a global leader in education.